Hi sellers, welcome to our video on everything you need to know about GST registration. If you are planning to start selling on Amazon, you need to know about GST and where you need it for selling on Amazon. Well, watch this video to learn more. Firstly, did you know that not all product categories require GST registration for selling on Amazon.in? Check out the details listed in GST FAQ on amazon.in/sell without GST. If you are exclusively selling GST exempt products, you are not required to take GST registration. You can sell only GST exempt products by providing your PAN details. Please contact your tax consultant or GST service provider for any specific GST related queries or clarifications. If not, then all you need to follow is a simple 3-step process to get the GST identification number or GSTIN. Step 1. Generate your GST application from this website. On the home page, go to Services and select Registration from the drop-down menu. Then, click on New Registration. Now fill in your profile details in the form. And provide a valid mobile number, email address and PAN details. Please note, once you submit your PAN details, you are not allowed to change it in future. Also mention your state, district name and click on Proceed. Different one-time passwords or OTPs will be sent on your email address and mobile number. Enter the OTPs in the respective OTP fields and click on Proceed. Now you will receive your temporary reference number or TRN via email and on your registered mobile number. After obtaining your TRN, use the TRN to log in on www.gst.gov.in. Now click on the pen icon under the action column. You now get your GST registration form. After you get the form, you have a 15-day window to fill in the details and submit your GST registration form. Step 2. Fill in your GST registration form. First, look into the list of documents required to submit in the GST registration form. Number 1. Incorporation of business. Number 2. Proof of primary place of business. Number 3. Proof of appointment of authorized signatory. Number 4. Photo of authorized signatory. Next, go to Business Details and enter the required information about your business. Click on Partners or Promoters to fill in details of the promoters or partners or directors as applicable. Then go to Authorized Signatory and fill in the authorized signatory information, and after that, fill in the information about principal and additional places of business which should be geocoded at the time of registration. Geocoding is a feature that converts an address of a location into geographic coordinates. Complete the Aadhaar authentication. If your organization is a company or LLP, which is limited liability partnership, then a digital signature certificate is a must for submitting your GST registration form. If not, you can submit the application with EVC or electronic verification code, which is linked to your Aadhaar. You will receive an OTP to your registered email or mobile number once it gets verified. Step 3. Finally, you will receive an application reference number or ARN on your mobile number and email ID. Note, you have just submitted your application and it's not been approved. The application will go to approval process with the GST department. In case there are any deficiencies, you will receive an update on your email ID and you need to revert with clarifications. If there are no deficiencies or further clarifications needed, your application will be approved and you will get your GSTIN and other information via email. Download the GST registration certificate to check your GSTIN. Update your bank account details by logging into GST portal. Post entering the required information, click on Continue. You can now add GSTIN in your Amazon registration process and there you go. You can now move ahead with your seller registration. Add your store name and address and click on Save and Continue. Now choose your shipping method and save. You can also validate your GSTIN at the GST portal. It's time to start your online selling journey. Good luck! That wraps up our video. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon Marketplace.